Hey, this is Erica with WTI, and I no longer wax my eyebrows anymore now that I have the Flawless Eyebrow Hair Remover from Finishing Touch. This has been a game changer for me and my grooming routine. It's really easy to use, it's fast, and it's painless. You simply turn it on and you start grooming your eyebrows. It has a built-in light which helps me to see all of those fine fair hairs that I wouldn't normally be able to get at while I'm tweezing, and it's painless. I often get very red and puffy after I get my eyebrows waxed, so I really love this feature of this. It comes apart for easy cleaning afterwards as well. I really love this product. It saved me a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of pain, and I really think that you're going to love it as much as I do, and that's my point of view.